Hey folks, hello everyone. Good day to everyone wherever you are. What country you live for. I am here guys, just to share something that a lot of people is wondering sometimes. They're really sorry for those things that it shouldn't and supposed not to be. I didn't go too far. I just had, got it through my experience, through the character that I had, that sometimes why people get misunderstood me because of this kinds of character that other people might say just I'm just justifying myself, my action, my attitude, but that's not all about what I'm going to imply to people why I'm doing this, because sometimes, you know, we are given, as a freedom of speech, freedom of sharing the emotions. But sometimes people are just have a poor mentality. That's why they're very easy to judge, right? So this day to day, guys, what I got to you, I have listed here maybe 9 that I didn't talk to anybody just based on my attitude that I have this, but sometimes some of this is undeniable to me, but truly I'm experiencing or I've experienced because I'm still a human. Sometimes it's just that even how much we keep on denying, we cannot avoid to have this because we're human. We're living in this earth full of chaos, full of everything. But the good thing, there's always a solution every time you're experiencing this kind of attitude or things in your life. There's always God to lean on and to ask the guidance and forgiveness, right? So I'm not gonna make it too long, my introduction, but again, disclaimer, I'm not that professional to, everything that I could say, but at least I want to say it just to let people know, so some of my viewers, that these things, those or these things that I've listed, you don't need to feel sorry for or apologize when you're experiencing like this, okay? Excuse me, guys. So, first, I have 9 things that I listed. This is the 9 things that, you know, you should or you don't need to really sorry for. Okay, don't get misunderstood me again. I'm disclaimer, I'm not that professional to say this, but I just got this through my experience. Okay, so first is crying. Yeah, everybody is allowed, everybody is capable to cry, everybody is has the right to cry. Does it mean when you cry you are able to be judged by somebody else? No, crying sometimes is just way of because you need to cry or you don't have someone around that you really need to cry. Just through crying, you could release whatever you wanna feel or whatever you wanna show to people that sometimes may takot ka or worried to share because yung mga taong talagang dumidepende sa'yo or that seeing you always strong, they doesn't like to see you crying. That's why us, you or anyone there, sometimes they could be choose not to cry. But guys, this is not bad things to cry because it is part of who you are when you cry. Get it? So that is very important. Do not be sorry. Do not be apologize. Sorry, I cried to your thing. So sometimes crying is expressing of joy. Crying is, telling that you're happy, you're blessed in everything. Those people, you could cry. Do not be afraid. Do not be sorry for. So, yun po yung number 1. And number 1, I have a lot, but I just picked 9 because it may became too much for me. So versus crying. So secondly is most of the people nowadays, depression or anxiety. I could say I never experienced to be depressed. Maybe anxiety I could be considered to me. But sometimes when the anxiety became too worse or severe, it goes down or it go well to depression. But I got experience of an anxiety during the time that the pandemic, guys, talagang it's new to me. Hindi ako sanay ng hindi lumalabas and I feel that I'm gonna die. I feel that this is the end of the world. I can't go out. I can't even do something that outside that I'm doing before. So, sometimes there are really things that we couldn't uh, appreciate, but sometimes we need to appreciate and deal with it. Once we experience that thing, we really need to deal things that we're still a human, right? Na talagang we need to experience it. Do not be ashamed. Do not be afraid to have it. All we need to do is to have this courage, encouragement or courage enough to deal in the face what anxiety is. Anxiety could be, pag naging severe po siya, talagang it will going to be a depression, and that's bad na po talaga. There are times na talagang nagiging pag so much na and you don't know how to handle it, so yun na po, madidepress ang tao na it came to the point sometimes suicidal na po siya, which is wrong. So you could, when you experience too much, you could seek maybe needed to a psychology, people that whose knowledge enough to deal with that kind of problem, wag po nating susuluhin. Pero again, you don't need to be sorry if you're experiencing like that. Anxiety, but anxiety, worse anxiety goes to depression po siya. It's so bad and it's not gonna be good to all of us, to everyone. So we have to have this kind of attitude of seeking. So I hope I understand about anxiety or depression. Then thirdly, the third one is, don't be sorry for, don't be apologize for how you feel or how we feel, because we're not that robot na talagang we cannot feel anything, especially if there are people who's just around na talaga nagpapasama ng loob natin or sometimes making us disappointed, making us pissed. So it's okay to say, it's okay to let them feel, it's okay to let them know how you feel, what's your reaction about it, because if you're not saying it, you can consider that you're existing, right? So, very important that show it. Do not be afraid. Do not be sorry. By sharing, sometimes somebody or other people could realize that, oh, that's the good thing shinare ko pala. That's the good thing pinakita ko pala. That's the good thing na pinaramdam ko pala. Kasi eto pala yung dapat. Amen? Kasi dapat po talaga hindi tayo nagpapaka-plastic or nagtatago kung anong nararamdaman natin. Kasi minsan, that kind of help na makukuha natin sa tao, or the result or the effect of our letting anybody or people around us what we feel is may maganda rin pong ibinubunga sa atin. So that's it. Do not be sorry for, do not be worried or be sad if you feel or you show how you feel, and or everybody there out there na hindi tayo dapat nagiging malungkot kapag in-release natin yung nararamdaman natin. It's all upon depends the people how they really expect or how they really deal with it. Minsan nasa poor mentality na rin po kasi ng mga tao kung bakit nagiging pangit yung mga bagay-bagay. Amen po. So, that is number 3. And number 4, parang ito po yon, needing or asking help. Yeah. Kasi sometimes ako kasi maybe before, I'm prideful person na talagang, I really as much as possible, ayoko talagang mag-ask ng help. But syempre, sabi po talaga, wala namang masama. Do not feel sorry if you're asking help. Kasi kapag talaga po na nag-ask tayo ng help, minsan yung mga bagay na akala natin, kaya talaga natin, minsan hindi naman po natin nasusolusyonan eh. There are some people who's really in charge to be solved that kind of situation sa buhay natin. So, do not hesitate, do not be afraid, do not feel sorry, do not apologize if you're just needing or asking help for somebody that you trusted most. Sometimes there are people that sa akin kasi bakit napakahirap kong umas ng tulong or ng help, kasi minsan yung mga taong nilalapitan mo, parang, I don't know if you're just, this is just my feeling, if they're just gonna get you're gonna get the sympathy from them or magiging happy pa sila sa pinagdadaanan mo. That's why, sometimes I rather not to ask, but it is not to be bad or to be sorry for asking help. Kasi minsan, pag sinusolo natin ang bigat, feeling natin tayo na lang. Feeling natin walang concern. Feeling natin walang nagmamahal. Pero deep inside tayo kasi yung may kakulangan. Okay? Needing help, asking help, it's not bad. Do not apologize for it because it's part of you as a human being which is existing. So, that is number 4 po. Then yung panglima natin, of course, madali lang naman to. I just studied it well, that I got it from my attitude maybe, that I don't, some of here I don't, especially asking help, pero kailangan pala. And I don't feel sorry for asking help because it is needed. Sometimes asking help for me to grow, to be matured enough, it's a very good thing because you're seeking or you're asking a help. So number 5 po is expressing your or our opinion. Ito, dito talaga ako. Kaya sometimes hindi ako nagigil dito express my opinion. Kasi, bakit, for example, your viewers ka, syempre hihingan ka nila ng opinion, di ba? So viewers ka, tell your opinion, give your suggestion, and yet pag nagsabi ka, parang binabaliwala nila. So what for? Ito yung, hindi ako nagwo-worry to say my opinion kasi sometimes yun pala yung tama. Sometimes they just don't like to accept your opinion kasi feeling nila o ng mga taong yon o ng mga taong sinasabihan mo ay talagang okay na yung kanila. Yung kanila is enough na. But sharing your suggestion or opinion, it doesn't wrong with that. Walang mali po sa sitwasyon na yon. Kaya napaka-importante talaga na once, every time tayo ay may mahinihinga ng mga opinion, so bear me for the background of the dog. Talagang ang hirap pong maano-samda. Ang ganda kasi ng view dito. That's why I choose to do this video here, but the dog. But bear that dog, it's part of life, right? So dog is like living things or human. They're not human being, but they also have a life. Okay, to understand and not to be sorry for. Anyway, so ayun. Number 5 is expressing our opinion. Hindi naman po masamang mag-express ng opinion natin. Is it up to them if they're gonna take your opinion or not? Pero ang mahalaga, nakapag-express ka po, huwag kang matatakot, huwag kang malulungkot. Huwag kang magsusorry na, I'm sorry po because I shared my opinion dahil sa opinion ko naging worse lalo. No, sometimes it depends upon the people kung paano nila i-deal or haharapin talaga yung mga bagay na gano'n. O minsan ayaw lang talaga nila ng opinion mo. Kaya para sa kanila, your opinion is not worth it. But do not be sorry, do not be sad, and do not be unnecessary na talagang hindi ka mag-share. Go! It is part. We have a freedom of speech, a freedom of life to live, but does it mean to live the way we wanted na magiging masama na yung buhay natin? So, that's it. So, hinga-hinga po ng konti, may natututunan po ba tayo? So, yun yung 5 bagay pa lang na talagang sa ugali ko hanggat maari. Yung iba doon, gusto ko lalo na very opinionated kasi ako eh. Para bang pag nakita ko, I will share. But sometimes, kapag alam ko talaga yung tao na yun ay parang mababaliwala lang yung opinion, why not? I could still share it. Bahala sila. It's up to them, right? So, again, I am not that professional to say, but it is all based on my experience and my attitude. So, that's it po. So, number 6, sabi dito, having a high standard. Yeah, that's me. Even I'm not that beautiful as like what other people, sabi nila, hindi naman maganda. Pero alam mo yun, feeling mo naman talaga, alam niya lahat. Wala namang masama na magkaroon ka ng high standard. Ibig sabihin lang talaga, you have that kind of knowledge talaga na you could put standard to yourself. Hindi mo naman kailangan maging maganda, hindi mo kailangan maging matalino or degree holder para magkaroon ka ng high standard sa sarili mo. Ako kasi, and the kind of friends, I really choose the people that I know na kaya kong ibigay yung 5 letters, which is trust or trustworthy, a person. A person could be a trustworthy. The attitude or the one that you could give to them is the trust. Ang hirap po kasi. That's why sometimes, when it comes to friend or picking a people that I could share with, I'd rather choose the one who is trustworthy kasi ganun po talaga. And then, sa trabaho, even before, I became a coordinator at the toy store before. Sabi nga perfectionist ako, I want everything is order, I want this, I want that, I want this, I want that. Pwede naman eh, because it's you, that's your standard. Why not some other people get misunderstood? Ang taas naman ng standard mo, hindi ka naman kagandahan. Alam mo yung ganon? But for me kasi, it's not all about being how beautiful you are, how intelligent you are, how stable in life you are, having an standard in life. Hindi naman po yun masama. That's why every woman, person, or people out there, do not be sorry if you have high standard to yourself because it's you. Making you who you, being you, it's a part. Having you, having a good standard or a high standard to yourself. As long as kaya mong i-handle, nasa sayo po yun, nasa sa atin po yun. Wag naman yung bigay ka ng bigay ng, ng high standard and then yet sa sarili mo, wala ka namang napapatunayan. And yet sa sarili mo, yun ka pa rin. And yet sa sarili mo, very miserable pa rin yung buhay mo or miserable pa rin. Right? So, there's no wrong with that. Do not hesitate. Do not be worried if you're going to give standard that, a high a little bit. As long as kaya mong i-handle, no worry. So, yun po yun. Okay, having high standard, it's not wrong with that. Bear me the surroundings, guys, the noise. It's not perfect, but at least what matters is may naiintindihan po kayo. At sana, everybody who gonna watch this video, guys, no judgment, no hates. I'm just being open-minded enough in sharing what I got, these 9 things that really people shouldn't apologize or not be sorry for. Okay po, and then number 7, ang dami, no? Actually, it's not that 9. I just picked the attitude that mostly I had, that hindi po talaga ako nalulungkot kapag sinoshow ko yun. Not being mayabang or what. It is upon the people. It depends the people. Yung mga taong nakakakita o nakakakilala sa akin. They couldn't easily judge me because they know me and that's me eh. Siyempre, siguro kailangan lang talaga yung acceptance para mas madali nating mapaganda yung flow ng buhay. Minsan marami lang kasing bitter. Tama po. So ayun, number 7, and yung pang-7 po that I really I want you to know is being sensitive or emotional yan. Being sensitive, I am very. But sometimes, na-apply ko din sa iba talaga na sensitive ako pero very unsensitive ako sa iba. That's one thing I'm sorry for. Unsensitive to other people. But being sensitive or emotional to things that I'm experiencing or I'm having it in my life, I am not sorry for because this is me. I am existing people. I'm existing human. So I should have the feeling. I should have this kind of being sensitive or emotional things that I could share to people na talagang whatever people thinks, whatever people said, it's all matters is I've shown it. I have feel it. Sometimes kapag hinahayaan natin talaga na yung sasabihin ng tao ay talagang i-absorb natin, maaapektuhan po talaga tayo. Kaya napakahalaga po talaga na share, be it, show it, feel it. Iparamdam natin yung pagiging emotional to things, na bigo ka, na disappoint ka, or alam niyo po yun, para bang may nakita ka lang na ganon, tapos sasabihan ka na, that's sensitive, being sensitive. But hindi naman sa lahat ng bagay na nasabihan ka lang, ako nga po sa live, sasabihan yung ilong ko, ganyan. If I am so sensitive to that matter, it's part when you are in the social media, you have to be transparent to the comment of the people. As what I said, sabi ko nga dito, yung opinion mo, it's okay to say. Kasi talagang yun yung opinion nila eh, sa ilong ko or sa attitude ko sa mukha ko. So be it, you're in the social media, right? It is, depends to the people or you as a handler ng mga situation or ng mga taong nasa paligid mo. Tama po? That is being sensitive or emotional. When somebody that you love, yung loved one mo or someone around na talagang, para bang naging, ano ba yung ganun talaga ako. And then, nasabihan ka lang, and then hindi naman intentionally, you cried and everything. It's okay. Do not be sorry for that. I said, the first one, sabi ko, crying. Kaya dapat po, wag tayong magiging malungkot or talagang magiging affected sa mga bagay. Go, just be it. Just be yourself. Let them feel, let you feel, and let them judge whoever or around people there that talagang nai-encounter or nakakasalamuha mo. Okay po, that is number 7. So, talagang napaka-importante na may tama tayong isip, transparency and everything, matured in dealing things kasi yun yung magsasabit magdadala eh. Kapag lagi lang nating iniisip yung pangsarili nating kapakanan or talagang our own sake, mahihirapan po talaga tayong maging transparent sa mga bagay-bagay. So, that's it po. That is number 7, of course. Ang dami nga po eh. Pero okay na to kasi napaka-importante na gusto ko lang ma-share na marami ngayon, especially nowadays talaga na nakakaramdam, ayokong share opinion ko, baka may magalit, ayokong umiyak kasi masasabihan akong mahina, ayokong mag-seek ng tulong, ayokong maramdaman to, I wanna be out of, ayoko, in everything, ayaw mo. But those things that I've shared and mentioned, the 7 things, yung 7 nabanggit ko pa lang po is you don't need to be sorry for. You don't need, everybody out there, people there, you don't need to apologize for. Yun po yun. So, number 8, of course, malapit na po tayong matapos and maybe some more I could share a lot. Whatever I could discover through myself, wala naman pong problema. Talagang I could share it to you. There are limits, but of course, I'm in the social media, so I have to deal with it. I have to maturely face this kind of things. So, ayun po. Number 8 is trusting your intuition. Intuition is just like instinct. Para bang kapag ganun yung pakiramdam mo, sasabihin ng iba may kukontra sa'yo, o hindi ganyan, grabe ka naman. It's okay. Because that's your intuition, that's your instinct. It doesn't matter if they agree or not, kasi yun yung nararamdaman mo. Don't be sad, don't be sorry, don't be apologized for. Kasi sometimes ako din, alam mo, parang ganun, instinct ko, parang sa game na lang. Feeling ko, manatalo Hinebra dyan. Parang ganun ako. But I'm the fan, number 1 fan talaga. Fanatic po talaga ako ng Hinebra. But sometimes, you know, people are just having this kind of thoughts or instinct. But it's okay. Because it's just normal. Kasi kung wala ka namang sasabihin, para bang, ganyan ka na lang. So better sometimes, yun yung pakiramdam ko. Kasi minsan makakatulong yun. O talaga, magkakaroon ng alinlangan, yung tipong alam mo na makakasama sa kanila. Because nagsabi ka, sinabi mo yung opinion mo, or intuition mo, or instinct mo talaga. O sige nga, baka hindi ko muna gagawin. Alam mo yun, nagkakaroon po sila ng agam-agam. Kaya napaka-importante na sometimes show it, tell it, share it. Kasi hindi mo alam, isa pala yun sa mga solution or talagang kailangan nung tao na yun kapag ikaw ay nagkaroon ng instinct sa kanya, sa mga gagawin niya. It's a big help. Again, it will depend the people or whose people around you na talagang magkakaroon ng understanding sa ginagawa mo o sa ipinararamdam mo. So, ayun po, pang-8 po yun. And we will proceed for the 9th or number 9 or pang-siyam. Not last but not the least a lot, but I just pick some and important things. It's again, guys, I'm not professional. Disclaimer to the professional one, but maybe for what I've shared to you, relate po talaga kayo, and then at least magkaka-idea kayo yung mga bagay na talagang hindi nyo sasabihin ng iba, ng mga tao, gina-justify mo lang yan, no. You are free or not to be sorry for sa mga bagay na mararamdaman nyo, kagaya po ng mga binanggit ko. So, let's proceed sa number 9. Ito po yung pinaka-importante, and this is me, na sometimes napakarami pong nakaka-misunderstood sa akin. Feeling sabi nila, antaray, ang sungit, mayabang, or what? Because this is one thing that you don't need to be sorry for or apologize for, being yourself. Napaka-importante po nun. Kasi ang hirap naman kung magpapaka-plastic tayo. Just to please other people, we will act that we can be totally comfortable to do that. Kasi hindi naman talaga tayo yon. Be you. Let people judge you kung sino ka. Let people judge you what you're doing. Kasi yun yung importante talaga doon. Na kapag lagi-lagi po talaga na tayo'y nagpipretend, sabi nga, God hates a hypocrite. God hates a lukewarm because we cannot mock the Lord. Yun ang sabi doon. So be yourself. Pero sabi nga, there are times na talagang lagyan mo din ng limit yung pagiging ikaw. Ako kasi talaga, who I am, judge me for who I am. Bahala ka na kung yun yung tingin mo sa akin. Yun yung tingin mo, I will respect that. Pero lagyan mo ng limit yung tingin mo sa akin because you don't know. You're not there. You're not part of my life. That's why you are not the one who can judge me easily if I became be myself or if I stood being me or who I am. Tama po. Same with you guys. Do not be afraid being who you are kasi napaka-importante talaga na makilala kayo, not just magpapakilala kayo kung sino kayo, maging kayo lang yon. Kasi minsan ang katotohanan nasa pagiging tayo, nasa pagiging kayo. Huwag mo pong ikahiya or mag-sorry kasi the more we are always pretending, hindi natin makikita yung totoong result kung sino ka at sino yung totoong tao na nagmamahal at nagtitiwala sa'yo. So be who you are, stood who you are, but above all, yung respect, hindi talaga mawawala yun. So ang ingay ng aso, naririnig po sa aking background, so wala akong magagawa because the place is not all mine. And that's my neighbor's dog anyway. So at least, I've shared you something, the 9 attitude that I pick to myself na sometimes nami-misunderstood po ako ng tao because of this. But again, I'm not going to be sorry sa mga gantong attitude na meron ako. Unless na-violate ko na, unless it's too much na, pwedeng maging sorry ako for that at may nasaktan at naging pangit na resulta. Sabi ko nga po, it's okay to be you, to feel. It's okay to cry, to have an anxiety, to show what you feel, needing or asking help, expressing your opinion, having a high standard, being sensitive or emotional, and then trusting your intuition or instinct, and above all, be you are. Kasi napaka-importante po kung sino talaga tayo. Kasi yung lang lagi tayong magpipretend, wala tayong makikita na totoo. Hayaan natin minsan, sa bagay, ako din kasi minsan, importante din po sa akin yung opinion ng ibang tao. Pero kung lagi kong pagbabasehan yung opinion ng ibang tao, yung sasabihin, hindi ka ganyan, huwag ka ganyan, magiging ganyan ka. So, ano ka na? Then maging puppet ka na lang, maging robot ka na lang, better be. Kasi ang robot, kung hindi mo sususian, hindi gagalaw yan. Amen. So, again, but of course, lahat ng to, it's just based on me. For all the professional there, you could put a comment, guys, whatever, if you learn something na talagang merong po kayong natutunan sa shinare ko. No hate, spread love, just sharing what I've got, and yung mga attitude na hindi po ako nalulungkot or nagsusorry para ba't ko nararamdaman or ginagawa yun kasi I'm a human being. Nag-i-exist po kasi ako sa mundo. Amen po. But talagang napaka-importante na we have discipline and limit and do, above all, be honest, be who you are, and everything goes and fall into place. So, yun lang naman po at sana kung nagustuhan nyo yung aking sharing. And then, napaka-importante po talaga na maintindihan natin to and be transparently po talaga na harapin natin yung mga bagay-bagay kasi para maging masaya, life is too short. Huwag tayong lahat pigilan natin kasi talaga napaka-importante na, alam niyo po yun, tao tayo eh. May katapusan, may damdamin, at may mga gustong patunayan. Pero yung pagpapatunay na yun, hindi tayo makakaapak ng ibang tao. Yun po. So, thank you guys. Kapag nagugustuhan nyo at nagustuhan nyo yung mga sharing ko, just put a comment guys and then don't stop supporting, subscribing, and liking. Watch all the videos I uploaded in my YouTube channel and you will be appreciated all the time. Kapag nakita ko kayo sa live ko and you came to my live, you will be shouting, you will be shouted and talagang magpapasalamat po ako sa inyo. Thank you so much. God bless you everyone at talagang lagi po nating tatandaan. Life is beautiful, full of surprises at talagang mahal tayo ng Diyos at walang mali kung sino ka. Minsan ang nagiging mali yung mga tumitingin sa atin. Thank you guys and I wish na gustuhan niyo po ito. Keep continue supporting me and appreciating if you like. Don't get tired for all what I'm putting in my channel. I'm just trying and putting my best. Be a one of those creator or content creator, guys. Thank you so much. I love you all. Stay safe and always remember you are loved, blessed, and God is with you all the way as long as we're needing and putting God in our life. Thank you. Bye-bye and God bless you all.